This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. One-bedroom condo unit in an investor-friendly and gated community, washer and dryer in the unit. Central air conditioner, screened-in patio and storage. Monthly maintenance covers for water, cable, high-speed internet, pest control, on-site management, security guard, insurance for building structure, roof and all common areas. Community offers the following amenities: clubhouse, tennis, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, fitness room, car wash and barbecue area. Owner-occupied option with 25% down payment. For more information, review the details below.